survey apps to make money here in Ghana. In today's video, I'm going to give you 2 surveys app that you can use it to make money here in Ghana. And you can withdraw it through mobile money. Okay, I have tried this survey app and I have got some money and I have withdrawn it through my mobile money wallet. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how you can do it and you also get survey. Okay, you get some little money from this 2 survey app. Okay, so I don't want to waste my time. Let's go straight to the point. The first one is Tribal Ghana. Okay, so for this Tribal Ghana app, what you have to do is you go to Google Play Store and search for sign up panel. Okay, so when you download this app, then survey that is for Ghanaians only. Okay, so when you download the app, they will make you complete your profile. Okay, the more you complete your profile and the available survey you get to do. Okay, so when you download this app, what you have to do is they will ask you little questions about you, whether you work, your name, your age. Okay, so after you complete your profile, then always you go to the app, the survey will pop up for you and then you will get it. Okay, the survey is not much more. Okay, it's like small, and the more you continue doing it, the more you earn more money. Okay, for now, me, I have tried and withdraw some of my money. Okay, so now my total balance is $0.19. Okay, so every day I will try to do it. The more you are doing it, and the more you earn more from this. And the second one also is time books. Time books. This one also, I have worked with them. Okay, so for time books, they give rewards, they give bonuses, and if you do referral also, there is amount of money they are going to pay for you. Okay, so as you can see on my screen now, my total balance is just $1. Okay, my total balance is just $1. Okay, so make sure when you go to their website for time book is website, when you go to Google and search for time books, then it will pop up, and then they also make you complete your profile. Okay, so the moment you complete your profile, and some survey will pop out for you, and you do it, you answer the questions, and then you get your survey. Okay, all these 2 apps, you are going to just answer questions and then you get a survey. Okay, so the more you are answering questions, the more you get more survey. Okay, and bonuses also. Early in the morning, there are some of the bonuses they paid. Okay, so when you go to their apps on, let's say, around 6 o'clock a.m., there are some of the bonuses and they ask you a question. That question is not difficult. Okay, so when you answer it, then they give you the bonus. Okay, and add it to your wallet. Okay, but their minimum balance that you can use it to withdraw is $5. Okay, so when your money reach $5, they will ask you to withdraw it. Okay, so that's it. Okay, and make sure that for these 2 survey app that I have already mentioned it, you're not going to pay anything. You're not going to deposit money before you get your survey. No, it's totally free. Okay, all you have to do is you answer questions and then start earning fast. Okay, so this is how to do it. Okay, so this video helpful. Here is Profit My Channel. Don't forget to like, share, and if you have any comment, leave it on comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.